I'm talking to you. What is meaning of confidence? So confidence at that time we had born, so we didn't have confidence after means we do any work with consistently with continuity, then we can get confidence. And we didn't know at that time we had born, just like we were born at that time we didn't have idea how can we write, how can we read, and how can we speak. But gradually we had started speaking with someone, with our neighborhood, with our family members. So we convey our thought most of the time Hindi language, our mother tongue. So it has been a routine for every single day, and most of the time we speaking with non-person, a non-person with our native language. So this is the also matter, and nowadays if we are learning any new something, we have curiosity, we are a good human, we have good source of enhance this skill. So that's why it's depend our desire, our external desire, our internal desire. So it's depend only us, and if we are ready for doing any different something in our life. So everyone, all people, those are very just like those are very confident. We can see any people, any more and more people, they speak confidently because they had been practicing more and more in their life, and every moment those are very curious towards on their language, towards on their subjects. So any few people, those are very good at math, those are very good at uh, just like drawing, dance, and etc. So they have idea and they had been practicing every single day, all moment. And I was not good at my English in my earlier days, and now I'm also not much more good, but I feel comfortable during this speaking with someone. I can frame all those sentence whatever we want. It's depend only our choice, our sacrifice. If we spend our time just like 5 minutes, it's depend only us. We are listening most of the podcast, any podcast day with it was based in our daily conversation. We can frame any some sentence in based on our daily routine. I had done so many work inside my home today, and I felt tired at that time. Then I cooked food, then I ate food with happily, with good way, because I felt hungry. And then I prepared tea first, and I took tea because I am habit of taking tea, but I want to avoid this habit. And after some days I will be just like observe this habit, I will be avoid, because we can't avoid anything, any habit we are doing most of the day and every single day. If we are a habit of taking tea, so after few days it will be avoided by me. So every people, though they are fond of eating any different something, and a few people they are eating, they are fond of just like eating any spicy food. But I'm not fond of eating spicy food. I like most of the time sweets, and just like tea as well. So that's why, because if we must eat any good food, good command. And if you talk about confidence, if we speak most of the time, we had been practicing every single day with our friends, with our colleagues, with our small children as well. And we can frame also some sentence during the our every single day. So this is the also very appropriate idea. But we at least we can speak much more time. And today I will means I can frame whole sentence. My son, he will riding the cycle, and he cooperate me, he support me, and so I'm very lucky person, I'm very happy, and I do my work with sincerity. So this is the also perfect idea. And every people those are very good at any skill, just like drawing, music, dance. So they do practice every single day. And any few people those are very perfect. They have perfection, they have creativity, so we can evaluate in ourselves time to time. So I'm observing you guys, you heard me right, and you can also frame, you can start any small sentence, then you can create also some creation in front of your eyes, in front of your mouth. So it is the also best method of enhance this skill. This is the, we can say, this is the confidence. And we can't get confidence within few minutes, within within 1 week, within 15 days. So it takes time, practice makes perfect. And English is also very beneficial language, it is essential role play in our life. And confidence also, if we see any teacher, those are very good at mathematics, and they can frame all question, they can solve easily in front of the other student. Several type of student they are inside in their class. So it is maybe we called confidence. So confidence, it is very good skill, it creates by us. We are human, we have good strategy, good static mindset also. Because most of the time, if we have recovered and we feel like very happy, we feel like very energetic, and we feel like in ourselves we are perfect at this skill. So this is the also perfection idea, and it gives just multiple benefits. All people those are very curious on learn any new skill, new ideas, new formation, new command. And so those are good question during the speaking with someone. And if we are making video in front of camera, so we can also make some sentence, and we can do practice. This is the also best method. And if we apply in our daily routine every single day, so this is the also very perfection idea. All people those are very energetic, those are very, they have curiosity, they have just like connectivity, and those are very fond of searching, find out, figure out any new people. And if I today I had gone means we can frame all sentence. If we are speaking with ourselves most of the time, and most of the person those are speaking very nice. So this is the also perfect idea. We will have to frame any some sentence during the speaking with our daily life, during the speaking in our time to time. So and today my sister-in-law, she has come our home, and she will ask me a few question related of my daily routine, related of my life. So those are very means supported person, and we should be ready, we should be careful. And life is also, it is very precious. Time is we can evaluate our time. So all people those are very fine to any skill. So thank you guys. If you like my video, don't forget like, share and subscribe.